Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and look what one of my friends brought me. Some cool seashells. Let's go through them. So my friend and I are actually from the same area in Florida, Cocoa Beach area, and we were college roommates, and we've known each other for quite some time. I no longer live in Florida due to the job. We've had to move all over the place, and my family still lives there, but we're in Louisiana now. But my friend, she still lives in Florida, and she goes to the beach quite often, and when she does, she picks up seashells for me because she knows that I love to make things out of seashells. And she gave me all these because she knew I really, really like them. Aren't they cool? And they're so pretty. I'm looking through here to try to figure out what I want to make with them. And this one right here grabbed my eye because it has some holes in it. Let's move these aside. They'll be for another project. Today we're going to focus on this though. And I'm trying to decide if I want to make this hole bigger or if I want to leave it like this and what I want to do with this. I think I want to make a pendant. And I could do a couple things. I could wire a pendant. I could use some of this, I think this is hemp. Yes, this is hemp. Or I could use jute or some other type of cording. I could use this copper wire. The reason I kind of picked this out is because you can see the copper color in there. And I could use silver. I have coconut color. I like to use this a lot, which that would look good too. Either one of these would look really good. But you know what? I think I'm actually drawing closer to this. Let's see. I could make this bigger. I could use like a bead reamer and make it bigger. But do I want to do that? Let's see if this fits in there. Yep, it does fit in there. And I could tie a knot. But you know what? I think I want this to be bigger. Because with some wear and tear, I think that eventually might break the fibers. Alright, let's take this. We're going to see about making it bigger. And I'm wondering if I could get a couple of threads through there. Yes. In fact, I could probably even do 3 threads. So I've cut 3 threads. See if I can get all 3 of them to go in that hole. Yep. Good. And now I think what I'm going to do is just tie an overhand knot. Scooch that down the bottom there. I want to tighten that knot up. Okay. Yeah, doesn't that look nice? You know, and I could even, if I wanted to, hang some beads off of there, but I don't think that's what I want to do. I'm going to tie another overhand knot about right there. Because this will allow this to actually be a pendant if I wanted to hang it onto a necklace. I just want to have a little bit of room there. Again, I want to tighten these. Then I'm going to trim this off a little bit. And here we have a little pendant. I could use this like on a car dangle or maybe a sun catcher. I could take some hemp or maybe some other cording, and I could do a weave, maybe some macrame or crochet, and do a necklace. I've done that before. But this is just a very simple pendant. You could even just hang it on a piece of leather. Just separate these out and feed it through there and just hang it on a piece of leather. And the reason I chose the hemp rather than the wire is because I see this in a piece that somebody could maybe wear to the beach or the pool. They could wear it all the time. If you had wire, it could corrode and not do too well. But with hemp, it's going to be just fine in the water. In fact, as it wears in the water, it's going to get softer. Probably what I will do with this is make a necklace and unravel these out. But I'm not going to do that today. Actually, I'll be doing that on my other channel, Tappingflamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie. That's where I do all my jewelry making. But I thought this might be something you'll be interested in. I hadn't done a craft for a while. So you can take seashells from your ocean trip and make little pendants or dangles to hang in your car, to hang around your neck, or to hang as a Christmas ornament. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative signing out for now. Bye-bye.